fowl is? What is a fowl, Ninja Man? What is a fowl?
You know, the chicken where you buy and cook and eat?
Right.
Yes.
With teeth in before in dead.
So you did the fall out of fall cub?
Yeah.
Okay.
When you see that country?
Yeah, I'm telling you how to do it.
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't think, no. Don't get into it. We really don't.
I want to
Well,
know.
all right. Let me tell you what I want to know, though. Tell me, I mean, we've heard a lot of things about Ninja Man. You know what I mean? The music, all the allegations, all of that. What rumor got you most upset out of everything that you've heard?
You know what I'm get joke, you know? You know what's not get me upset? Life is an experience. And if you weren't here, you wouldn't have got none of those experiences. So everything that happened in life, me just take it with a smile. That's why you see how I look little and neat, me not make nothing trouble me.
Even when you have on the rough face, you're still smiling on the inside.
I'm joke. No people used to come to you with a smiling face, a total hypocrite.